What are different types of network cables? There are many types of network cables and we can categorize them based on their usage. For example, straight through cables, crossover cables and console cables. We can divide them like this. Straight through cables means that when we have devices on the two ends of a cable which are different from each other. For example, if one side is a switch, the other side is a router. So if we are connecting these devices together like this is a network now. So this type of cable should be straight through cable because these are different devices. This side is a switch, other side is a router. The second type of cable is called as crossover cable. So in crossover cable, when the devices are similar, means computer to router, router to router, when we are connecting these type of devices together, then we need a cable which is called as crossover cable. For example, switch to switch, router to router, router to computer. The third type of cable, the managed and our enterprises switches, they have a special port called console port for the configuration. So if you want to connect your laptop for the configuration of that device, then you need console cable. That is the third type of cable. So straight through, crossover and console. We can divide them like this. We can also say that the cables are divided based on their category or based on their usage. So category means we have Cat5, Cat6, Cat6e, Cat7 cables and then onwards. Then we can also say the cables are UTP cables, STP cables and coaxial cables depending on their usage. Then another type of cable which is called as optical fiber cable. So these cables are used when the distance between the devices is more than 100 meters, because our Ethernet cables, they cannot support more than 100 meters, right? So their capacity is 100 meters, the copper Ethernet cable. So in that place we need optical fibers. Then there is another type of special media which is called as wireless media. So our wireless devices like our access points, so these access points, they generate wireless signals. Our mobile phones, our laptops, they connect with them through wireless media. That invisible type of media is also a way of transmission, right, for the signals. So this is also one type of media. All these cable types, these media types, they are together called as different network media types, right? So we have UTP, STP, Cat5, Cat6, we have crossover cables, we have straight cables, console cables, optical fiber cables and wireless signals.